Sabi ko na rin, I think it's too deep. Malalim. Naunahan ko pa siya. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So, for today's video, where are we going?
Gonna go see if we can find a waterfall.
Where? Waterfall, okay. So, we're going to waterfall here in Phuket, Thailand. So, we're searching the location. Bagal niya guys. Just kidding. Ayan, nagsapat si Mikey. Tagal-tagal. So slow. So yan yung ano namin, motorbike key. So nag-rent kami kahapon sa motorbike. Yung weather is masyadong cloudy. Hindi namin alam kung uulan kasi umulan kanina. Pero huminto na kaya nilabas kami. Punta sa waterfall. So yan si Mikey, hintay ko siya. Kinukuha niya yung motorbike. Ayan. Woo! My driver. I don't need that one. Okay, we'll need. Guys, nakarating na kami dito sa may waterfall.
Waterfall?
After that. Louder.
Just tasing Megan for her English speaking like normal.
Well, I'm not an English person. Wow. How to get there? Huh? What? Waterfall?
Waterfall?
So yun guys, hinanap namin yung yung entrance talaga. Wow. Hindi ko na-expect na may ano pala, may waterfall pala dito sa Thailand, sa may Phuket, Thailand. Akala ko beach area lang. So, may waterfall din pala sila. Love, I said like I did not expect that they have waterfall. Right? Like there's a big tube. May na ano guys, may nabuwal na ano na puno. What's that? My God, may papakita ko sa inyo. Centipede or what?
That's massive.
Yeah. Wow. Wow guys. May ano siya, may nabuwal na ano puno. Kasi ano, tapos landslide din sa banda doon. Kasi yung weather every time like ano, every day, I mean like every day raining, right? So maybe because of weather. Lamig ng tubig. Too cold. Oh my God. Tabi-tabi po. Tabi-tabi po. Love, say tabi-tabi po.
Like what?
Tabi-tabi po.
Tabi.
Yeah, it's just like for mythical creatures, like, you know, like not to distract them. It's like guys, tignan nyo guys, ang lalaki ng mga bato. But Mike, you have shoes, so you need to remove your shoes. Put it here. Mikey? Guys, oh my God. Like, it's big spider. Baka poisonous yan. It's poisonous maybe, no?
Probably.
Remove your shoes. Ah! Love! Ayan, nagtanggal na si Mikey ng shoes niya kasi ano, ayun yung mabasa yung shoes. My God. Wow, like grabe yung view guys. Charan. Nature. Ah! It's too deep. Medyo malalim siya guys. Ready to siya. Sana walang ano dito mga ano snake. I hope there's no snake.
In the water.
Huh?
In the water.
Yeah, it can be. It's possible, I mean. Be careful. Tignan nyo to guys. Wow. Is it safe? I'm scared.
Feel it.
No? Grabe yung bato, ang laki. Do you know if like it's raining, it's gonna be, you know?
Outside, sir.
Yes. It's dangerous.
It's dangerous.
It's dangerous.
It's dangerous.
It's dangerous. So be careful. May nakita akong can opener. Yung naiwan. Ay! Butterfly! We can swim here. Grabe yung mga bato guys, ang lalaki. Sa mga nature lover dyan. So, yung location nito is, Kathu, Phuket, Thailand. So, sa may Kathu area. Wait, so deep. Huh? Maybe here? No.
Maybe.
Lalim.
Where do we go?
There, on the rocks, and then we can... Uy! Safe ba to? Malalim siya guys, ayaw ko mabasa yung yung shorts.
It's gonna be so cold.
But nagbasa na si Mikey. Ah! Sabi ko na, I think it's too deep. Malalim. Ah, Mikey! No. Wow. Crazy. Malalim pala dun guys. Nabasa si asawa. Gusto namin puntahan dun sa may area na dun. Kasi maganda yung view, malalaki yung bato. Oh my God. Go love. Grabe yung view dun guys. So yun yung pupuntahan namin. Hindi ko alam kung safe pero well, as in grabe. Wow, like, grabe yung laki ng bato. Too big. Ah, spider web. Grabe guys. Careful ah. Grabe yung view. Doon kami galing kanina. So, umakyat kami papunta dito. Sabi tayo po. I'm scared to go there, you know? But gusto namin pumunta doon sa sa may kabila, pero nakakatakot yung daanan. Baka hindi namin kaya ni Mikey. Tsaka hindi kami ready for the outfit. I said like we're not ready for this. This is like kind of what? Go Mikey! Go Mikey! Go Mikey! Go Mikey! Go Mikey! Careful. Wow! Finally, nakarating kami dito sa may Oh my God! Now it's too deep! So, minatahan din namin kasi hindi na pala siya nakakatakot. Oh my God! Wow! Look at this view. Wow! Wow, love! Ang laki ng mga bato. My God! There's something there. I think there's a way going up. Wow, like be careful, babe. Like there's something there. Like I don't know, it's a restaurant. So it means there's a railing.
Yeah, there's steps that go up to the top.
Really? Where? When? Where? You didn't tell me.
You said not this way.
I don't know. I didn't hear you that time. Grabe yung mga bato guys, ang lalaki.
You go back down?
Ayan, nag-decide kaming bumalik. Kasi hindi na namin kaya dun sa bandang dun. Kasi it's very dangerous. For sure, it's very dangerous. Yun. Is it deep or not? Okay. Go. Huh? Let's get here. Careful. God. Ayan, pabalik na kami guys sa baba ulit. Grabe yung babaan doon. Naunahan ko pa siya. Go, Mikey! Go, Mikey! It's scary. Be careful. Uy! No! Be careful! Malalim yung dun guys. Malalim. Ayun guys, nakabalik na kami dito sa may baba. Ayaw na namin umakyat din sa banda doon kasi parang delikado. Kasi sobrang laki ng mga bato. Tapos baka biglang umulan ng malakas. Kaya bumalik na nag-decide kami ni Mike na hindi na namin puntahan doon sa mas more na bandang doon. Kasi I think meron pa doon eh. May waterfall pa doon sa ano, sa kataas-taasan. Finally! Sawa, finally!